Hello guys, we are now here at the Plaza Rizal, Malaybalay City for the Malaybalay City Cooperative Fair. And here we have different booths from cooperatives within Malaybalay City displaying the products of the members of the cooperative. So here we see the Nomiark Multipurpose Cooperative or Nomiark MPC booth. Here we see the information on the cooperative. And also we see the display of flowers here. So what you are seeing is the Cymbidium variety of Cymbidium ground orchid. This is beautiful. And we see the table anthurium, mini anthuriums that you can use to decorate your table. And this one is another variety of Cymbidium. This is also beautiful. And here we see the golden ceratum, beautiful ornamental. So this is for sale, guys. And here is the Florida bronze, another beautiful ornamental. And this is also for sale. A good plant, beautiful plant. And also here we have the Philodendron igyok, and this is also a beautiful ornamental. And what you are seeing now is the homemade wine from different fruits. We have kamote wine, mulberry wine, and this is also for sale. And here we see the gourmet tuyo, gourmet tuyo. So this is delicious, guys. And now we have the Cinamac, a cocoa vinegar. So these are the products of the Nomiark Multipurpose